In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect N8N with Dropbox, enabling you to start automating workflows that utilize your Dropbox files. This step-by-step guide will simplify the process, allowing you to choose between Access Token and OAuth 2 methods based on your specific needs. Let's dive right in by creating or preparing your Dropbox app. The first thing you need to do is sign in to your Dropbox account. Once that's done, head straight to the Dropbox Developer Console. This is your hub for managing app integrations. Once you're there, it's time to create a new app. You'll start by selecting Create App. When prompted to choose an API, go for Scoped Access. This gives you control over what parts of Dropbox your app can interact with. For the type of access you need, decide whether you want your app to have access to just one folder or if you need it to have full access to your Dropbox. Pick App Folder for limited access or Full Dropbox for broader access. After this, give your app a name and make sure you agree to the terms presented. Once your app is named, shift your focus to the Permissions tab. Here, you'll need to enable the necessary scopes such as Files, Content Read, Files, Content.write, and any others your workflow might require, like Sharing.read or Sharing.write. These settings allow your app to perform specific actions within Dropbox, so make sure you select what's relevant for your tasks. Next, switch to the Settings tab. This is where you'll finalize how N8N will communicate with Dropbox. If you've opted for OAuth 2 as your authentication method, you'll need to add the redirect URI provided by N8N. Alternatively, if you're just testing and prefer a simpler setup, you might want to use an access token. You can easily generate this under the OAuth 2 section. Now that your Dropbox app setup is complete, it's time to configure N8N. Log into your N8N instance and navigate to the Settings menu. From there, head over to the Credentials section, click on New Credential, and select Dropbox. This is where you'll set up the connection based on the authentication method you've chosen. If you're going with Access Token, simply paste the token you generated from Dropbox and choose the same app access type, whether that's App Folder or Full Dropbox, to match your app settings in Dropbox. For OAuth 2, enter the app key or client ID and the client secret from Dropbox. Don't forget to copy the redirect URI from N8N into your Dropbox app's settings. Once everything is in place, initiate the OAuth handshake in N8N to link your account. Finally, save this credential. Doing so allows N8N to authenticate with your Dropbox account, setting the stage for seamless workflow actions. Whether you need basic file management or complex automation, you're now all set to explore the powerful integrations between N8N and Dropbox.